In this video, I'll show you how to buy coins in Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so I'm going to go about it this way just because I don't have any currency in my account and it'll be easier to show you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click on the search icon. You're going to type in the name of the coin and make sure that it's on the correct network. And then you're going to just click on buy. Of course, I can't click on buy because I don't have any currency. However, what it's going to look like is like the screen over here. So of course, instead of ETH, it'll show Pepe. And here you can see the amount. Notice I have to buy an insane amount in order to make a purchase. And that is why you shouldn't really use Coinbase Wallet to buy coins unless you're doing an exchange of whatever coin you have in your wallet for that coin. Anyhow, all you'll do is hit continue to payment. Then you'll hit continue again and it's going to redirect you to your payment method. And it'll give you an order summary like this and you can just hit continue. Again, it depends on your method of payment. But if bank account is your only method, then this will be the process. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.